What if your dream classic Mustang is available right now for less than you expected? From affordable original coupes to powerful fastback restomods and beautifully preserved V8 cruisers, today we're counting down 10 incredible classic cars for sale that every Mustang enthusiast needs to see.
Car number 1. We're starting today's lineup with a car that checks a lot of boxes for serious collectors. A genuine 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS RS. Located in Montrose, New York, and listed for $49,500, this first-generation Camaro has recently undergone a fresh restoration and presents itself as a clean, ready-to-drive American muscle car. Finished in crisp white over a black interior, the color combination highlights every iconic bodyline that made the 1967 Camaro an instant classic. The seller proudly states that this is a true SSRS and not a clone, an important distinction in today's collector market, where authentic examples continue to become harder to find. While the original engine and rear axle have been replaced with a non-original 350 small block V8 and a 10-volt rear end, the owner is upfront about those changes. In fact, the seller points out that if the drivetrain were numbers matching, the asking price would likely be dramatically higher. That honesty gives buyers a clear understanding of what they're looking at, a genuine SSRS body that has been restored to be driven and enjoyed, rather than hidden away in a garage. The restoration is described as flawless, with no dents or scratches, and the seller says the car needs absolutely nothing. Simply turn the key, put it in gear, and head down the highway. For enthusiasts who value authenticity but still want a car they can confidently drive to shows and weekend cruises, this Camaro offers an appealing balance between collectability and usability.
Car number 2. Our eighth vehicle is a 1967 Ford Mustang that perfectly blends classic muscle car style with everyday drivability. Listed in East Rockaway, New York for $21,500, this cherry red coupe immediately catches your eye, with bold white racing stripes stretching across the body. The color combination gives the Mustang an unmistakably sporty appearance that stands out whether it's parked or cruising down the highway. One of the biggest upgrades on this car is the newly installed Borgeson power steering system. Many classic Mustangs require constant steering corrections and significant effort at low speeds, but this modern steering conversion provides a much smoother and more responsive driving experience. According to the seller, the car starts easily, runs beautifully, and is ready to be enjoyed without hesitation. It's been garage-kept and carefully maintained, treated as a prized possession rather than simply transportation. Combined with the automatic transmission, this Mustang offers an easy-going driving experience that makes weekend cruises relaxing instead of demanding. For someone who wants classic styling without sacrificing comfort, this 1967 Mustang presents an attractive balance between originality and usability.
Car number 3.
Our third vehicle is a bright red 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle that proves performance can matter more than pedigree. Located in Schuylkill Haven, Pennsylvania, and listed for $37,990, this Malibu has been tastefully transformed into an SS-style muscle machine. The seller is completely transparent from the beginning. This is not a genuine factory SS. Instead, it's a Malibu body finished with SS trim and badging, built for people who appreciate driving more than documentation. Under the hood sits a massive 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet V8 breathing through an Edelbrock intake and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. A turbo 400 automatic transmission and B&M floor shifter complete a drivetrain known for durability and impressive torque. Power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, dual exhaust, and an aluminum radiator all contribute to making this Chevelle comfortable and dependable for regular use. Inside, the tan bench seat interior remains exceptionally clean, with no reported tears or cracks, while modern air conditioning and a retro-style radio add comfort without sacrificing the classic atmosphere. The polished American racing wheels and bright red paint give the car a timeless muscle car stance that looks equally at home at local cruise nights or weekend road trips. This Chevelle isn't pretending to be something it isn't. Instead, it proudly offers big block performance wrapped in one of the most recognizable body styles Chevrolet ever produced.
Car number 4. Now we move to another 1967 Camaro that's been built with one purpose in mind: serious performance. Listed in Middletown, Newark for $42,000, this burgundy coupe packs an enormous 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block under the hood. Matched with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a heavy-duty 12-bolt rear axle, the drivetrain suggests this Camaro delivers the kind of acceleration that made big block muscle cars legendary. The seller notes that the car retains its original sheet metal and has never been cut up or heavily modified structurally, preserving the integrity of the body despite its impressive performance upgrades. Unlike stripped-down race cars, this Camaro still features a complete interior, allowing it to maintain comfort while offering substantial horsepower. The current torque thrust wheels give the car a classic pro touring appearance, and the original drag wheels are also included for buyers who prefer a more aggressive, racing-inspired look. Although the listing is brief, the specifications speak for themselves. A naturally aspirated 468 big block in a lightweight first-generation Camaro creates a combination capable of delivering unforgettable driving experiences. It's the kind of car that instantly commands attention whenever the hood is raised.
Car number 5. We're finishing today's first group with another beautifully restored first-generation Camaro that blends classic styling with serious power. Located in Chadbourne, North Carolina, and listed for $52,500, this blue 1967 Camaro has recently undergone restoration and now features a 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet V8 backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller openly states that this is not an original big block car and not a factory RS or SS model, choosing honesty over marketing hype. That straightforward approach makes the listing refreshing in today's collector market. While originality plays an important role for some buyers, others simply want an exceptional driving experience combined with timeless styling. A 427 big block paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox delivers exactly that. The blue exterior contrasts beautifully with the black interior, creating a traditional muscle car appearance that remains popular decades after these cars first left the factory. Every shift through the manual transmission connects the driver directly to one of Chevrolet's most celebrated performance engines. Rather than focusing on factory documentation, this Camaro emphasizes the excitement of ownership and the unmistakable sound and feel of classic American V8 power. For enthusiasts who value driving enjoyment above all else, this restored 1967 Camaro represents the kind of machine that makes every weekend feel like a special occasion.
Car number 6. Our 6th car proves that sometimes the best bargains come in the most original package. This 1966 Ford Mustang coupe is located in Walkertown, North Carolina, and is listed for just $12,500. Making it one of the most affordable V8 Mustangs in today's lineup. Finished in a classic green exterior with a matching green interior, this coupe has a uniquely vintage appearance that immediately transports you back to the mid-1960s. Unlike many first-generation Mustangs that have been repainted or heavily modified over the decades, the seller states that this car still wears its original paint. Under the hood sits the original 289 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, one of Ford's most dependable combinations during the golden age of American motoring. According to the seller, the Mustang runs and drives great, comes with a clean North Carolina title, and is ready for its next owner. Cars like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find,
especially when they retain so much of their original character. Rather than being over-restored, this Mustang tells its own story through decades of preservation. It's exactly the type of classic that can be enjoyed at weekend cruise nights while still offering room for future improvements if desired. For buyers looking for an honest first-generation Mustang without spending collector-level money, this one deserves a close look.
Car number 7. Next up is a Mustang that takes classic styling and combines it with modern performance technology. Located in Derby, Connecticut, and listed for $50,000, this 1966 Mustang Fastback has been transformed into a complete restomod. From the outside, the blue paint and iconic Fastback roofline capture everything enthusiasts love about the original design. But underneath, this car has been engineered for a completely different driving experience. Power comes from a fully rebuilt 351 Windsor V8 producing approximately 385 horsepower, sending power through a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. That gearbox alone dramatically improves highway cruising compared to the original 4-speed setups, making the car far more enjoyable for long-distance driving. Supporting the drivetrain is a heavy-duty 9-inch rear axle, along with 4-wheel disc brakes that provide stopping power well beyond factory specifications. The seller mentions there are many additional upgrades beyond those listed, suggesting this build received significant attention to detail throughout the restoration process. This isn't simply a restored Mustang, it's a modern interpretation of a classic icon. For enthusiasts who appreciate vintage looks but want contemporary performance and reliability, this Fastback delivers the best of both worlds. Car number 8. Next up is a more affordable way to get behind the wheel of a first-generation Camaro. This 1967 Camaro Coupe, listed in North Attleboro, Massachusetts for $25,999, has been built as an RS tribute and captures much of the visual appeal of Chevrolet's famous Rally Sport package. Finished in gray with a black interior, the understated color combination gives the car a clean and aggressive appearance. Power comes from a 327 cubic inch small black Chevrolet V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, a combination that has earned a legendary reputation for reliability and driving enjoyment. The seller keeps the description simple, focusing on the essentials rather than making exaggerated claims. While this isn't a factory RS, it offers the style and driving experience many enthusiasts are searching for, at a significantly lower price than an authentic, documented example. The 4-speed manual gearbox means the driver stays fully engaged, making every shift part of the experience that defined muscle cars during the late 1960s. For buyers wanting a classic Camaro they can enjoy without worrying about preserving an investment-grade collector piece, this RS-inspired coupe could be an excellent choice.
Car number 9. Now we come to one of the most interesting project cars in today's collection. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is located in Newmanstown, Pennsylvania, and listed for only $7,000. At first glance, it may appear to be another 6-cylinder coupe, but this car has several unique characteristics that make it stand out. Power comes from the original 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine, paired with a rare 3-speed floor-shift manual transmission. Even more unusual is the front bench seat configuration. Most Mustangs from this era were equipped with bucket seats, making this combination significantly less common. The seller reports that substantial restoration work has already been completed, including new floor pans, seat boxes, carpeting, fuel tank, sending unit, bump stop perches, and battery tray.
The engine runs, but the transmission requires synchronizer work, and the body will need additional attention before reaching its full potential. For restoration enthusiasts, much of the expensive structural work has already been addressed, leaving a solid foundation for future improvements. With its unusual factory configuration and affordable price, this Mustang represents an opportunity to preserve a rarely seen piece of Ford history. Car number 10. We're closing today's lineup with another budget-friendly classic that offers tremendous potential. Located in Stafford, Virginia, and listed for just $10,000, this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe keeps things simple and straightforward. Finished in blue and powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, it represents the type of dependable cruiser that introduced millions of Americans to Mustang ownership during the 1960s. The seller provides a brief description, but confirms the car comes with a clean title and has accumulated just under 90,000 miles. Sometimes the simplest cars make the best long-term projects. Their uncomplicated mechanical design, enormous aftermarket support, and timeless styling have helped first-generation Mustangs remain among the most approachable classics in the collector car world. Whether someone wants to restore it to factory specifications or gradually personalize it over time, this coupe offers an affordable starting point. It serves as a reminder that not every classic car has to be a high-dollar investment to provide genuine enjoyment. Sometimes all you need is a reliable vintage Mustang, an open road, and a sunny afternoon. And with that, we've reached the end of another incredible lineup of American classics, featuring everything from original survivors and affordable projects to high-performance restomods and beautifully preserved icons that continue to keep the spirit of the muscle car era alive. So, which one would you park in your garage? Would you choose the original 1966 Mustang V8 Survivor, the 385 horsepower Fastback Resto Mod, or the rare bench seat coupe that's becoming harder to find every year? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. If you love classic Mustangs, vintage muscle cars, and discovering amazing classic cars currently for sale across America, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We upload new classic car collections every week, featuring some of the best American classics on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.